Hey beautiful people out there, and Merry Christmas to those of you who have Christmas today. Yay! We had yesterday here in Denmark. Awesome. And today's theme is open up to your gifts, your potential. We all have skills what we are hiding inside of us, because for instance, if someone is good at painting but think, am I good enough for this, and the potential is getting squeezed a little bit because it cannot come out for its fullest. But if the person says, you know what, I don't care what people think, I love painting, they can like it or not, then the potential opens up more. But there can also be people who say, I don't think you're good enough to paint so you can sell the pictures. Then there's someone who's squeezing those people's skills and gifts. So if you have stored anything in your body and in your aura field who could prevent you from using your gift, your potential, then I'm going to do some light language healing who can remove those blocks from you, so you can go out in the world and shine and say, look what I have to offer, and I'm good at it. You may not be proof, but there will be people who love what you do, and with time you get proof. Or maybe you get proof in no time. It's different from people to people, but we do really need to start somewhere, because people can't see us if we don't show up. So get ready to open up. It's like Christmas, you're excited. What I'm going to get in the gifts people are giving to me, and this is, oh my, what I'm going to open up for now. You might be surprised, but I bet it's something good. I start cleaning your root chakra from beliefs and negative energies people have put on you and you put on yourself, who could prevent you from opening up to your gifts and potential. And I'll do that with every chakra and your aura too. Just have the intention, let go, let go, let go. I'm starting now cleaning the root chakra. I'm cleaning your sacral chakra. And I'm cleaning your solar plexus. I'm cleaning your heart chakra. I'm cleaning your throat chakra. Now I'm cleaning your third eye. I'm healing your crown chakra. And I'm cleaning your aura. And now I'm going to put super good energy in you and just have the intention. I'm so ready. And I'm starting by putting super good energy in your root chakra, your foundation, so you can stand tall when you go out in the world with your skills and what you have to offer the world. Sufrigrira bratse noniara ero prompa katjenor. Ere quad set quad it in anadan joreros. Manka kanen joret. Barakio sut at frit in nudata chekenuna at it umbaras denonua. Yupa papacaniero, bacana circo catachintuperero. And I'm going to put super good energy in your chakra. Super pada karakara boom, chenonoma data de jores. Upaka sachen al edefedetupan, hede ore krat edu dumbare no kare edu sura jendores. Nina nanan jokwa edu kwa sendu papaka, ira find or atlin ira lut krat edu doa, ira karakara tasakwat, ila la no. And I'm going to put super good energy in your solar plexus. Sura krada tatakata bumba da sarakya. Isura era kuret era frade kinukat era prakia sorte kiandura era karakasenda era lila la kwatia. Uprekida karakada do in grada sokarakada sakuria. In the kurakets karakaparakargu, a kurakets karakata security sakarakata security. And I'm going to put super good energy in your heart chakra. Supra parkarakiwa. In a kurakatsakarakajen parakarakusuti diaruaran, in nanana guadeduaset, Kurikirakarakata Tuduya, Urikirakasakarikurakiakum, Girikarakata Sakarikurasakirikura, Irakarakarakikurikura Tambara, Kurikita Sakarikurakuruguet, Irakarakata Serikumbara Dadum, eat at it would eat horas. Irakarakata Sakarikura, Urikira, Girikarakata Sakurua. Kirikarakata in Gurikirakarakata so it Prikarakata second kur. And I'm going to put super good energy in your throat chakra. Surikarakura. It is Sukurikiri, what I can go and say. Sukarikura, Urikaraskiri, in the Karakarino Mara, Sakirikura Circuera so. Sukakira Karakasakirikura, Urikakirikiara. Hirakurkat said Kokat et Urukuanduas. Imkar et kviet fra dupada dan yenuna nakata sursukatia Irkurkas and Jura Sakakatijua, Inkrakurat in Dukurkasuasi, Tukurkasia. And I'm going to put super good energy in your third eye. Sudakurakarakumbaras, Kurakara Dubaredia, Irikurakata Sudaduaredias, Kurakara Parakarakundiarorum. Kurukara sakara kuritiaru puro. Kurukara sakara kiendoran bar. Eat free the karakara sira kurakara sarakara kirikure. Kutukutukutikuru. Kurikirikasa. Kirikara sakara kirue. In a hane kurakasakarin. Kurikirikirikiri. Kurikirikirikiri. Fikakasakara tukikirikiri parakaraku. Kurikirikiri. Kurikirikiri and then Kurukirikiri. Now I'm going to put super good energies in your crown chakra. Sura parakarat it unumbarat. Gurura sat krat it frat indubara kera orsikure it umbara. Induria aradum parasakat it shuperenia. Ukura arakir orsirkinda arakarakurusukura sakat jendo parakarakata sirajua. Ingrada sura karakiduro sirkin. Umhara at it finduro surukura karat jendrosukura. Gura sarakarakid orakotasukuchura sakakachindo suasin. And I'm going to put super good energies in your aura field. Surukurakatasarchumbara dero dosea. In the kurakatasarakakid parakedos, umbapaka kanyero gorgosia, kunuguna gumbar, Gonna get a soka kekero sunda, and a niano korasara eropia, eno hero para kan nanano kuatsena. Super papaka, edo korakata sara kero sara enda sananyo. Hira kara sara kuara sara kin, hira kuara sara luba ba le no no lada dada jiru pura kendo do sokadero. Tu gata sakata diora. Good sakadikik, so good sakadikik umbar. Puppadikik, so good anda fira. That was the light language I have for you today, and may you all have a nice and awesome Christmas Eve. Bye for now.